The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Hi everybody. It's been a minute and I don't know where my dep on already. But I saw something that I just have to comment on. I can't help myself. You know, some of you guys tell me say it was just a matter of time before I come back and make some comment about some of these shit that's happening in Jamaica. But I see one video I circulate with a woman who apparently stole milk powder, lasco. You know, and it viral, it's all over the place. People laughing, making fun of her. She's clearly ashamed, and you know, everybody's spreading this, sharing it, shaming the woman who steals milk powder. Think about it. Unless somebody is really desperate, because regular people don't even drink milk powder. More than likely, if somebody is stealing milk powder, it's to feed a child or a baby or something. And we take this and disgrace the woman. I mean, how much for milk powder? How much for the 3 lasco them wash your teeth? Like $500? You mean somebody at a shop there couldn't find the $500 for give the woman and take the shame out of her eye? Because me sure say it's either a baby or an old person she trying to get that milk powder for. And if she had the money, she wouldn't be stealing milk powder, because who steals milk powder? You understand? We're quite comfortable with side chicks getting big contracts. We're quite comfortable with the government and the opposition and all of the nepotism going on. And I mean, robbing and raping and pillaging the society. But yet, we're quite comfortable with all of that. But yet we have an issue with a poor woman stealing milk powder. And then I wonder why I keep saying the amount of people will come on the timeline and cuss me off when I say Jamaica is a shithole country. No wonder why things like this make us a shithole country, right? When you have the general mass, we can look down on a woman who is obviously hungry and can't do no better. That's what makes us a shithole country. It's like locking up a man for 3 months for thief in Aki, when you have people in parliament we're stealing millions and billions and nothing comes out of it. I just want to make that small rant there. I don't care who wants us. That's just how I see it, right? Tomato is just the society we live in now, where we can ostracize the poor and we defend the rich who they're now overseeing the largest transfer of wealth in the history of Jamaica. Even pre-colonial times, never see such a large transfer of wealth from the poor back to the rich.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a female talking about a video that is circulating on social media. And according to what had been said on social media about the video that this female in the video is talking about, it is said that a female was caught stealing from a supermarket or a food store. Alright? It is also said that the female was not the only person who got caught at the time stealing from the supermarket or the food store. But according to some of the things that had been said in that video that this female is talking about, it is said that the other person, who is considered to be the female's friend, fled the scene of the incident. Now, that video that is circulating on social media, where it is said that a female was caught stealing from a supermarket or a food store, it is out on social media where comments had been made about that video on social media. I mean, persons had been talking about that video on social media. And according to some of the things that had been said on social media about the video that is circulating, it gave me the understanding that some persons did not like the way how the female was embarrassed for stealing some things that persons on social media call lasco or lasco milk powder. You see it? Yeah, let me repeat it. Lasco or lasco milk powder. Some comments had been made on social media that also gave me the understanding that some persons on social media did not like what the female had done. It is said that the video was recorded within the parish of St. Mary, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now, I do not have any information as to when the video had been recorded. Alright? Now, I'm going to present to you that video that is circulating on social media. Yes, I'm talking about the video that this female in the video that I just presented to you was talking about. And I'm presenting that video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can also have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to also give you a better understanding as to what had happened. You understand? Now, you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that the female had said in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? You can let me know if you agree or disagree with the things that she had said in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now I'm going to present to you the video where it is said that a female was caught stealing from a supermarket or a food store. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
This is Town. This is Town, St. Mary. This lady and her friend was found stealing lasco. Whole 4-pack of lasco. I don't know if she run anybody's business place, but we have to protect each other. So right now, see that she don't have one of her face. See her face a good?
No.
Yeah. Rob. So we have her in custody right now at Stuart Town. Then, now let her go. Then, and this here, and the wig have to come off too. Without wig.
Get him there, get him.
See? See there? Last go.
Look at my camera.
Don't fuck yourself. You're big. Yeah. You're big and brave. Make the people who spend with me every day rob me. Fuck. It ain't gonna work. You don't have no phone neither. Hold on, Pandit. You can't keep no phone now. You don't have the rights, though, miss.
This is Stephen Turner, Supermarket 7-Eleven. The second and third one gone.
Yo.
Come in and camera, miss. Let them come back in and
Alright, so there you have it, the video that is circulating on social media where it is said that a female was caught stealing from a supermarket or a food store. Alright? Now, I am going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, pieces of an entire video that is out on social media. And these pieces of videos, they are going to show a female talking about the video that is circulated on social media where it is said that a female was caught stealing from a supermarket or a food store. You see me? Now, the reason why I'm presenting these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, is for you to hear some opinions from another person about the incident that happened. You see me? And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been said in these pieces of videos. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, The things that had been said in these pieces of videos, they are not the views nor opinions of Dancehall. And in these pieces of videos that I am about to present to you, the female in these pieces of videos said some things that gave me the understanding that she's really upset about the video that is circulated on social media. And you know, that video is the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the languages used in these pieces of videos, they might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. Yazid.
I don't mad before I leave the house because I saw one video come up where a lady steal. She and her friend steal some lasco. I just share the video. And people want to try and find the lady. That woman need to be a star and she need to be up here. Now, it's not right for the woman to steal a lasco. You know? Get what I'm trying to say? It's not right for her to steal a lasco, but a 2 bag of lasco. If she even buy 3 or 4 bag of lasco, a fucking food. Eh? Tell the woman to put the woman out for like a bumbo clad food before somebody make some pay fee for her. Why would never say no, I'm pay for it? When is a set of blood clot? When is a set of blood clot? Why would I never tell the fucking thing and pay for the woman? She gonna have kids at home hungry. Woman gonna hungry for much days not eat. You know she want like a porridge and make like a drink. A food. Poor woman, take off all the woman wig, touch all the woman wig, all them disrespectful thing there. Eh? Take off all the woman bumbo clot wig. Have the woman like a child, the poor woman nervous. You can't see the woman or the woman feel, dog. Eh? For me say that one time my blood pressure raised, I left the blood clot house, you know. Me said the woman took up the last cup, put all upon the woman head. People. Them things are not right, people. Me not say she have a right to tell us, come on, people have food. We just coming out of quarantine. We still in quarantine, motherfucker. Many people lost them jobs and don't have nothing. And they bread. This side put all the last cup on the woman blood clot head. And I call on disgrace. We have 2 little blood clot bag of lasco. You know what a human being for. You know have judgment there for answer to. The whole of was surround the woman have judgment there for answer to God. Because God makes some things happen. For show no heart stay. God makes some things happen for show no heart stay. Because one out of someone could have said, no man, me pay a feed for her. Nobody do this. Nobody put her on camera. Do them something there, you know. Make we pay a fee and find out what go on with the woman. The woman could have left from this and go hang her raw self and dead. Because the one who try to shame the woman and bring up on it. It's just wrong. It's just wrong, man. It's just fucking wrong, dude. It's just wrong, okay? Motherfucker tell the poor put a let's go take a man, take a week.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Entertainment.